Hey guys, Master TBK here, back. I'm sorry it's been a while actually. But I actually got the M1 Garand. I never actually mentioned that, but it's something that came out a while ago. Pretty much I wanted it because it was really good for like World War II-ness. I have no idea why I just did that. Well, just a quick thing to tell you guys. For the Call of Duty walkthrough stuff, I'm not going to be doing that anymore. It's just too hard to do. It takes a while to set up the camera, like literally a long time setup. So yeah, I'm just not going to do that anymore. And yeah, I'm going to show you the gun. This is the BuzzFeed Toys Combat M1 Sound Gun. Really nice design. The only complaint I got about this is the backstock. Too short. I had to do this pretty much. Yeah, it does make 3 sounds, and that's cockbackable. You got the magazine. Oh, not magazine, clip. And bullets. That comes with for the bullets. And here's how you put it in. Put it right here because this little thing right here. Push down, slide in. Do that for every single bullet. It shows you on the box. I got this off of Kmart.com. Pretty much, and here's what you just do. Well, yeah, just get the clip. Show it in here. Shove it forward. Kaboom. Ow. Yeah, here's the 3 sounds I need to know. 1, 2, 3. 1 second as I collect all the bullets. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you guys features. Pretty much I'm sure you guys the feature is the ejecting shells and clip. The first 2 go really high. Like one I'm hitting on here on the pretty much on the noggin. So here's another feature. 1 second. I'm not good at aim. 1 second. Got sight. Oh, what? Sorry, this is really hard. 1 moment. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the first person. There. That's the sight. So yeah, that's the sight. Also, there's things right here. Also, this little thing up here, I actually know what that is. It's supposed to be like a little hook thing, so we're gonna like a few of these things make it like a little teepee. This is supposed to be bigger. But I'm gonna show you what the straps things are for. Before this, I know this is just where you can get this. This is the BuzzFeed Toys 50 caliber machine gun. It's supposed to go right here and right here. So yeah. So you can take that from this if you already have it. Yeah, if you get both of these. It takes a while to get in sometimes. Well, here's the best strategy for the back. Put the black in first. Or they were both. I can't really quite remember. Yeah, it's for both. So you put that, but if you just like, you just swing your shoulder and pull like this. Literally, you can't see it, but if you pull it, pull the strap down, then you can see the barrel, which is usually supposed to happen. If you want like to march with it, you can't do this, or else like the barrels, they're gonna be pointing at your head, like you're gonna kill yourself or something. That's not the case. So here's what you do. Try to bend the arm. So yeah, just to tell you guys, I am going to be, I don't know actually. I'll tell you guys like later on, like I don't know, in like December, about something that I might do for YouTube, but I don't know. So yeah. But also, here's a good thing to do for it. Seconds. A little bit of that. Get this, it's actually more like a 30 caliber machine gun. This makes two noises only. That one and that one. So here's what I do. Pretty much it comes with 40 pieces of ammo, but it can be really easy to break up. For all I know, I actually had this since last summer. And so far I only have 5 of the shots left, but these are easier to connect. Do this. Snap them in. I'll explain this in another video, which is possibly the next one I'm doing. So yeah, get the chain like this. I know I'm making infinity, but again, that's in the next video. Well, I'm gonna do a review on this once they find all of them. It goes in this way, so you want to do this. You have to shoot it to get through. So get 4 guys, get 2 of these, invite 3 of your friends over. If you're like a fan of World War II, I'm just saying. Like, not a fan like of killing pretty much, just like studying it, and like want to reenact stuff. Here's what you do. Get 4 people, 1 person to do this, 1 person to do this, and 2 people on each side of him with these weapons to guard and pretty much do the shoot away. Dismounting! Yeah, 1 person won't carry both. It's too heavy. Well, yeah. So that's it, guys. I forgot it's loaded. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment below on what you think of it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Exterminate! One quick thing, guys. I am also a fan of Doctor Who. Also, gonna have a few seconds. Look at this picture. Look at it! Okay, that's it. See you guys next time. Okay, guys, this is one last little clip. I'm gonna torture you guys by making you watch me comb my hair. Oh, 1 second. This thing always annoys me. There's one more thing. Grenade is not real. No. See you in the next time. Okay, guys, there's one last thing I just remembered. Okay, good. You see everything. The mock video that I did a while back was a mistake. I meant to it was supposed to be like 15 minutes long, but I accidentally posted a 5-minute long video. Well, that's all I had to tell you guys. So, see you.